past 2 days. Man, like the universe just completely spoke to me yesterday and randomly, pulled me somewhere, and it led me to so many beautiful things. And it, my heart is just I feel fucking weightless. I'm such a good day. Oh my god. All these good days. I love them. It's I'm so used to bad days all the time that good days, I gotta celebrate that much more. And I'm pretty sure I'm leaving the grocery store right now. It's fucking crazy. In any place that involves shopping, the traffic, the people are fucking insane because apparently the snowbirds have arrived. And I'm not one of them anymore. So, I'm hey Marla, you fucking tourist. Fucking tourist, Marla. You know what I'm saying? It's my favorite movie. Anyways, I'm going home, gonna unpack the groceries, eat some pizza, and then I think I'm gonna take the boys and me to the hot tub. December. Christmas, living in the hot tub. I've been waiting for this fucking all year. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, and if not, change that perspective. You might see the beautiful things in life instead of focusing on all that crap, all that extra toxic psychic garbage that gets everywhere. Clean it up. Cut the clutter. I promise you'll feel amazing.